Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the IINWMARROWS indicator. Well, I don't know how I'm going to pronounce this, but it's, yeah. So this is what we're going to be discussing in this video, the IINWMARROWS indicator. All right, this is how the indicator looks like. It's pretty straightforward because it uses arrows. It's an arrow based indicator. The downward red arrow gives us a sell signal. The upward blue arrow gives us a buy signal. All right. However, I'm going to recommend using this indicator in a trending market. So what that means is in a bullish trend, I will recommend that you only take the buy signals. All right. When you notice the upward blue arrow appear in a bullish trend, you can look out for your confirmations and then execute your buy trade. And on the other hand, when you have a sell signal, a bearish trend, when you have a bearish trend, you can look out for the appearance of the downward red arrows. All right. Once the downward red arrows appear, get your confirmations, and then you can proceed to execute your sell trade. All right. So, like I said, the signals are pretty straightforward. It's a straightforward indicator. Upward blue arrow, buy signal, downward red arrow, sell signal. But make sure that you always get your confirmations. It is very important. All right. Make sure you always get your confirmations before executing your trade. All right. Don't forget to prioritize proper risk management. Okay. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.